Welcome everyone. Today, let's talk about Ripple, XRP, and the phase it's currently going through. The important question is Ripple truly on the verge of a major price movement after years of waiting? Ripple has emerged from a long accumulation phase that began after the 2017 peak. We've discussed an accumulation phase that lasted about 7 years. During this period, Ripple managed a strong upward wave and surpassed the 2021 peak. However, it immediately encountered the 2017 peak, causing the price to enter a new accumulation phase within a clear triangle. What's happening now is perfectly normal. After any strong upward wave, we should expect to see accumulation. Ripple is currently standing at a very important point, the exit point from the current accumulation phase. We saw a clear manipulating candlestick pattern on October 10th, and this candlestick brought the entire market to a standstill. Not just Ripple. Most cryptocurrencies subsequently entered downward channels, not a sharp drop, but rather an accumulation movement within a channel. On the daily time frame, the market it's sideways, but it's consolidating within descending channels. This is often a prelude to a breakout, especially since the same scenario happened with Ripple before. Looking back at history, we'll see that Ripple used to drop, then move sideways for a while, and then surge. This is exactly what we're seeing now. Is it possible that after this rise, we'll see another drop? Yes, it's possible, and it's happened before. But that's not a problem. On the contrary, it's usually the final accumulation before the big breakout. What's important to me is that Ripple rises above the $2 level, and the next crucial level is $2.50. Any consolidation above these numbers will completely change the chart's appearance. Many people are worried about Bitcoin's movement. But let me tell you, cryptocurrencies are currently operating independently of Bitcoin. Bitcoin might drop 5 or 6%, and this happened with the interest rate cut before, but the cryptocurrencies didn't collapse. We saw Bitcoin drop and the cryptocurrencies rise. This means there's smart accumulation happening in the altcoin market. Ripple's first target is $5, and talk of $10 is still premature. We need to see the strength of the candles, the momentum, and the length of the weekly candles. These are the things that will determine whether the rise will continue or not. Know after breaking through the $3 level and closing above it, we'll start updating our targets. But let me emphasize the most important point: capital management. Don't exceed 5% in any single currency. Don't put your entire portfolio into one currency. Anyone who does that is putting themselves in a psychological predicament before a financial one. The right way to bolster your portfolio is to diversify across different currencies, not to bolster it while it's declining. No currency is guaranteed, not Ripple, not Ethereum, not even Bitcoin. The market needs patience, management, and common sense, not greed. The end of December will be a turning point, either a breakout from the downward channels or the final accumulation before the breakout. Those who are patient will see, and those who are impatient will suffer. Follow my updates.